Hello and welcome to another Decal Ranch tutorial. In this episode I want to talk to you about the transform panel align. Multiple times I've had to do this where I, for whatever reason, either had separate words or traced a couple of different words from a document or image and then work on aligning them. Now you could sit here and move it and make it look as close as humanly possible. But a lot of times, I'm goofy, and it's like, oh, is it perfect? Is it 100%? Well, that's where this panel comes in. So what we can do is say, here's an image we're going to cut. And we want the words in the middle, and then we also want this spaced out evenly. So what we can do is we can just grab everything and align it. Now, we can align it here. Well, that doesn't help us. But it is in the middle now. But what I will do is I'll grab this and I'll move this over to the side. Try to somewhat evenly space it. And I'll try to hit the right one. Now let's get these evenly spaced first. We'll go over here to spacing and the horizontal spacing. So now it's an even gap between each word. Now we want to space it to where they're aligned at the bottom. What you can see here is the fonts of each word is different, and the boxes around the words are different. So when you go to align it, it's just not 100% because of these boxes. So it is equal based off the center point of this box. So what we need to do, if you're done editing, it's converted to a path. Let's make sure the spacing's still good. And then you can vertical align. You see how the line's at the bottom? It'll vertical align at the bottom. And what this will do is make sure all the words is as you were typing it out across a straight line. So we want to make sure this is back into the center, and in the center of the box and in the middle of the box. I'll just group it, and then I will horizontal and then vertical. And there you go. Your fonts are now aligned, spaced evenly, and in the middle. Any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them below. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like what you see here. And as always, have a great day.